All right, my third graders, we are going to practice identifying treble clef notes all by yourself. So we're going to go through a few ways of how to remember it. And why is this important? Well, it's important because if you want to be able to read music quickly and play an instrument someday, you are going to need to know these very snappy. And then also, if we want to write our own music, which we will do in music class, we need to know them because we can't keep going to look at a note and then reading it and then look and read and look and read. It would take a very long time. So here on the screen, we have the treble clef notes all together on the top, and then the line notes and the space notes separated out. There are 5 lines, and it is like a ladder. You always have to start at the bottom and work your way up the ladder. We're not Spider-Man. We can't jump to the top without climbing on all of the other steps first. So if you hold your hand up and you start from the bottom, you can say to yourself, line 1, line 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if I'm taking a look at the line notes, I see E is on the bottom, G is the second line, B is the third line, D is the fourth line, and F is the 5th line. And we know that we can use the sentence, every good bird does fly. And the first letter in each of those words is E, G, B, D, F. So we don't have to just remember this jumbled up bunch of letters. We can just say, every good bird does fly. The spaces with our hand, we also have 4 spaces in between our fingers, and you still have to start from the bottom going up like a ladder. F in the first space, A in the second space, C in the third space, and E in the top space. This one is even easier because it makes the word face, and face rhymes with space. So if I need to be able to see, or I need to be able to identify any of these notes quickly without something to help me, I have those tricks. And the next video is going to show us identifying some as practice together.